vegetables. Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, or welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for clicking in to watch this video. So in today's video, guys, it's just a normal lazy day. It was on the Sunday and the weather was so bad outside, but I had to wash. I had no choice but to wash. Yeah, so I was just hanging the clothes inside the house, and I'm also going to be sharing mini grocery haul. I was not planning on sharing that, but I was like, since it came and I was starting to record for whatever video that I wanted to upload in the future, I was like, okay, let me just share with you guys grocery haul as you guys actually watch longer the grocery hauls. I don't know what's the hype about it, but you guys actually watch grocery hauls, so that's why I've included it in this video. We'll talk again later, guys. There is a grocery haul coming up. These plastics. Let's see what Mr. Gil bought. Okay, he got green chilies. Got 2 Itzamo, 2 Marie biscuits. Oh, more Marie biscuits. Chickpea. We've got plain yogurt. Got 2 Nutri-Day yogurt. Okay, I just finished making for him this. This is what he also got. Okay, let's check what is in here. Okay, you got Libres pads value pack. I love candy. Okay guys, strawberry. I'm sure you guys have noticed that strawberry is like an everyday thing in this house. Okay, 2 cucumbers. He bought this waffles strawberry flavor. Oh, more cucumber and tomatoes. I don't have enough space in my kitchen, so that's why I'm just said let me quickly just share, you know, make content. You also got this hand wash, Nutrisense Botanicals Caring hand wash. Okay, this is charcoal Colgate toothpaste. Okay, mayonnaise. What is this? What is this? Oh my god. Okay, got custard sugar also. I usually like to buy custard sugar in one of our local shop where they sell baking things. It's much more cheaper. Okay, my grapeseed oil. Okay, he also got baked beans. More chickpea. Another baked beans. Then we got these 2 main doughs. Oh my god, I think here it was only 1 plastic that was actually Checkers. 3 plastic are all from Pick and Pay. Okay, my space is finished now. Okay guys, I've created some space. Okay, got Flora. I like to use this one, guys. This tastes really good. So got Flora with buttermilk, fat spread, Tropica,
our, oh my god, golden apples. I didn't plan to do this grocery haul, guys, so that's why I'm just all over the place. But I said, you know what, let me add on the videos that, you know, I've been doing, just to make the video interesting. Okay, also got bananas. Lastly, he got this two baby soft supplier rolls, two of it. Probably it was on sale. I'm sure it was on sale at Pick n Pay.
Okay guys, I'm just gonna quickly put everything where it's supposed to be. I won't show the whole process of me doing that. I must say there are certain things that I do wipe, but not everything when it comes to my grocery. I won't say that I'm perfect at that, but things like your cucumber, the plastic, the cheese, tins, I usually put it just like that. But the tin, what I do when I use tins, it's very important that you wipe the tin or you wash it on top, because you don't know where it's been. Yeah, so that's what I do. But when it's come from outside, seriously, I just put it to store it until when I use it, then I rinse it up on top. Yeah, so here I was just quickly baking. The reason I was baking here, I had the cream in the fridge that had went off, so I never throw things, guys. Like I kid you not, I never just throw things in the dustbin. So yeah, I was quickly just baking. Just put that cream, I put self-raising flour, and I put sugar. The idea to put cinnamon and nutmeg, I got it from sister Tieselani. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing my sister's name right, but Butter and Babies, please go support the channel. Yeah, that's what I did, and they came out so tasty, I must say. So here I'm quickly just doing my chili to go wash it and store it. I like to use all the natural spices that we already have in the house to make home remedy, but sometimes my husband really will come for me and say I like to do experiment on them, but usually the experiment works because we do get healed at the end of the day. So now here, guys, I was washing the apples just to go put them, so whenever anyone needs to grab an apple and eat, they just eat. Especially my little one, he like to eat apples. And I'm also preparing this is weekly what we usually buy, which are strawberries. Strawberry in the house we do eat, but strawberries are mainly bought for my little one. Strawberries are expensive, so we eat them now and then whenever maybe I make pancakes, but it's not something that the whole family just goes and grab and eat because they're expensive. But my little one, the youngest, because he's still small, he still gets his own special things just because he's the small one. He can actually finish whatever you see here that I'm gonna be packing. He can finish in one go, but I do prepare and then I hide it in the fridge where he can't reach it, where he can just take it by himself, and where he can always be asking, can I have strawberries? Yeah, I send it to school, and now and then I do give him in the house. What I do with the strawberries that I get from the shop, some other strawberries are bruised already, so I take those ones that are bruised, I cut that part. I usually don't like eating strawberries that are bruised myself, so I usually cut out that part and I put it in a separate plastic to freeze it for things like smoothie, or sometimes when I bake I like to put the sauce, like on cheesecake you put the sauce of the strawberry. I'll share one day, guys, the recipe for that. And then the other rest I cut. Obviously when I wash my strawberries, I wash them. I've shown you guys how I wash my strawberries before. I do wash them with vinegar. You can also use salt. There's a new method also, I've just discovered, salt, but I do use vinegar. I let them sit for like 10 minutes and then I rinse them and then I put them there to get dry, and I just cut out the green leaves. If you don't cut, you just wash your strawberries and then you don't take out that green leaf on top, then your strawberries won't last in the fridge. They can't stay for longer, they just get off easily. don't know why. Yeah, so this is what I do, the method. You've seen how I've cut them. Now I'm just quickly putting my green chilies. This is how I also store my green chilies. They stay like this for longer than if I just put them, just randomly wash them and put them just like that. So guys, to my people who understand this is Zulu, le imbiza that I've made with all the Indian spices, including a ginger and garlic. And because on this day it was that time of the month, so I decided to add beetroot. I do like to, especially if you have low iron problems or you're anemic, it's very good that you make beetroot your friend, especially even if you make juice or anyhow. Beetroot must be your friend. So now here I was just packing up the smaller nyana scones that are baked, guys. They were so delicious, absolutely delicious. Thank you so much to my sister Tia Selani, if I'm pronouncing your name right again, for that thing of saying you added what you said you added nutmeg and cinnamon. I didn't really follow her recipe, which I will in the future. It's just that on this day particularly I was just finishing up the cream really. So here guys, what I was doing, this what you see me doing, I do it maybe once in 6 months or once in a year. These was 3 pockets of coriander seeds, guys. I do buy, I've shown you guys sometimes when I go to Johannesburg, I do my Indian grocery hauls. This is the kind of things that I buy there, and it's much more cheaper than going to buy small in our local shop here where I stay. So what I do is I just wash it, then I put it in some trays, put it outside in the sun for it to get dry. Then I put in the oven to roast it. If you roast your spices, they just, bring up that more extra nice flavor to your food. So this is what I do. I do recommend, if you not washing your coriander seeds, to do it. Really, this is what I do. And we don't know where it's been. We just don't know where it's been. Yeah, I'm not saying I wash all my spices. I won't lie. There's things that I don't wash, but what I do is when I am making medicine, what you've just seen me making earlier on, I do rinse it out, everything, like your bay leaf, your cinnamon, whatever that I usually do will not rinse. I rinse it out. See what I got while I was watching, and I got a lot of those small bugs while I was washing this coriander. It was extremely dirty. Yeah guys, so now here I was just quickly just showing you guys. I was also again here doing hair oil. I will be maybe sharing a video, next video. If you are interested, maybe I'll explain, but mainly this I wanted to share on my cooking channel because these are all cooking stuff. And yeah, I just don't want to be sharing too much now on this side. To everyone that have subscribed to my cooking channel, which is Ayos Cooking, thank you so much guys for your support. If you haven't, and if you subscribe to this channel because of my cooking, kindly please go subscribe to my cooking channel, which is Ayos Cooking. And please guys, take me to 1K. Anyway guys, this is how I do my coriander here. My coriander was ready, then I do grind it. Yeah guys, I think this is where I'm just gonna end talking. I'll show everything as I do. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you guys on my next upload.
Please don't chase the chickens.
Okay.
Enough. So I am going to be storing this too in my freezer, but even if I put it outside, nothing would happen. Yeah, but because I know I'll be using this for the longest time, I will put this in the freezer. I think I didn't count nicely guys. I don't think this will take, it will take about 6 months. Yeah, let me just say it will take about 6 months, because I cook once a day and then I use about a teaspoon of coriander, but some other times I'm making samosas, different things that need more coriander powder. So but yeah, I think 6 months we will reach. Yeah guys, this is where my video ends. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.